Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another Sneak Revival YouTube video. Today we're going to be reviewing a couple pairs of shoes here, but before we get into all that, I just want to ask everybody to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. That way you're notified every time we drop a new YouTube video. If you want to support us even further, head over to sneakrevival.shop and get yourself some of our signature sneaker cleaning product. With that being said, let's get right into it, guys. Alright, so these are the Trump Never Surrender low tops, released in their two colorways, black and white. And before we get into all the details of these sneakers, I just want to take you guys through a little bit of the backstory related to the Trump sneakers and how this all got started. On February 17th, 2024, Trump announced the release of his sneaker collection at SneakerCon in Philly with the release of three signature sneakers, being the gold Never Surrender high tops, the POTUS 45, and the Red Wave 45 sneakers. This sparked a little bit of controversy among the political community, but the sneaker community jumped on this release, and it was just a couple hours before the Never Surrender gold high tops were completely sold out right after coming available on their website. Since the initial launch of Trump sneakers and 45 footwear, they've been consistently coming out with different varieties and designs to add to the Trump sneaker collection, including slides, golf shoes, crypto-themed shoes, meme reference shoes, and even shoes with the photo taken after Trump was shot at one of his rallies. Now, when it comes to the black and white Never Surrender low tops, I couldn't find an exact release date for them, but I'd imagine, like a lot of the other launches they did, they launched a pre-sale set to fulfill orders a few months out. So that's probably what they did with these as well. These black and white Never Surrender low tops were the second official edition of the Trump Never Surrender sneaker collection with a retail price of $199. Although there have been a number of other low tops and high tops released to the Trump sneaker collection, the all gold low tops were the only other ones that received the Never Surrender name tag. The description on the Trump sneakers website for the black ones says, introducing the Never Surrender low top in black, designed for those who embody resilience and strength just like President Trump. These low tops feature sleek black leather with gold accents, including the iconic T emblem and 45 on the heel, symbolizing Trump's presidency. Built for performance and style, the Never Surrender low tops offer superior comfort and durability with high quality materials and expert craftsmanship. These shoes are perfect for making a statement on the streets or anywhere you go. Step into these exclusive shoes and channel the spirit of unwavering determination. And for the white ones, it says, introducing the Never Surrender low top in white, designed for those who embody resilience and strength, just like President Trump. These low tops feature a clean white leather design with bold red accents, white T emblem, stars and stripes detailing, and 45 on the heel, embodying true American pride. Built for performance and style, the Never Surrender low top offers superior comfort and durability with high quality materials and expert craftsmanship. These shoes are perfect for making a statement wherever you go. Featuring Trump's signature on the tongue, step into these exclusive shoes and channel the spirit of unwavering determination and patriotism. The features of these shoes include Trump branding on tongue, quarter, and heel, leather construction throughout upper, along with leather sock liner and leather footbed with signature Trump branding, stars and stripes design on heel counter, trademark outsole and tread pattern, and a sturdy Trump sneakers box with signature tissue paper inside, along with a card saying, "Enjoy my sneakers and have fun," in every box. So my personal opinion on these, I think it's awesome that Trump decided to launch his own sneaker collection for us. And on top of these being released by a popular public figure like he is, they actually do offer a lot of creative and original design elements to them. So I think they did a really great job with these, from the box to the shoes with all the original details. Yeah, I couldn't really find any downsides to them. Alright guys, so that'll about do it for today's video on the Trump Never Surrender low tops. Let me know what you guys think of these shoes in the comments section, and if any of you ended up picking a pair up. But as always, thank you guys for watching. We'll see you next time.